Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make a really simple and classic chicken salad. So, this is going to have celery and onion in it, along with chicken and some other stuff, but the vegetables in it is celery and onion. You can put grapes in your chicken salad if you want, but I think that's monstrous. I would never eat chicken salad with grapes in it, and I'm not totally on board with eating celery in it because I hate celery, but I am going to cut it up really, really small. That's my secret, I think, for making things like this better for me as someone who's kind of picky, is I cut up the vegetables really, really small. I only used one stalk of celery because, like I said, I don't really like celery that much, but I did use some red onion. I used about half of this red onion, and I really like red onion. And you can adjust those things, for how you like it. If you really like celery, you can add more celery. So I'm adding about a cup of mayonnaise, about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, some garlic and onion powder, and I'm also going to add a little bit of paprika just for some color. Paprika doesn't really have much flavor-wise, it's just for a little color. I'm adding a big pinch of salt and some pepper. I'm also going to add some lemon juice, but I forgot about that until almost the very end. And then I'm taking my rotisserie chicken and I am pulling the skin off, and I'm just shredding it up and putting it in there. I only used the breasts and both of the legs. So if you used more of the rotisserie chicken, you might need to add more mayonnaise and more seasonings. And then I added about half the juice of a lemon. And you just want to refrigerate that before you eat so it's nice and cold. But that's it. It's just really simple to make chicken salad, and it's a really great thing to keep in the fridge, especially for the summer when it's hot out. So when you want to eat something cold. But if you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.